Welcome to our Tool Explorer segment on web analytics and tracking performance. In this lesson, part of the Digital Marketing Fundamentals course, we'll dive into tools like Google Analytics to understand how to gauge the success of your digital marketing efforts. Over the next few scenes, we'll explore key concepts such as metrics, conversions, and bounce rates, and discover how to apply them effectively. We'll use real-life examples, charts, and screenshots so you can visualize the process. Let's begin this journey toward becoming a data-driven digital marketer. Web analytics involves collecting, measuring, and analyzing website data. By tracking how visitors interact with your site, you can determine which pages are popular, how long users stay, and what ultimately leads them to convert. Imagine a retail store that needs to know foot traffic and sales trends. Web analytics does the same for an online presence. Understanding these metrics reveals what's working and what needs improvement, ensuring you make informed decisions to optimize the user experience and meet business goals. Picture Alicia, a small business owner selling artisanal candles online. She's excited to launch a new product line, but struggles to see why sales are slow. Enter web analytics. By examining traffic sources and behavior flow, Alicia realizes most visitors leave before reaching checkout. Using the insights, she reworks her product page and checkout process. In just weeks, her conversion rate jumps. This story highlights the power of web analytics, unveiling hidden customer behaviors, pinpointing choke points, and guiding data-driven strategies for growth. Traffic metrics show how many users visit your site and how they arrive there, via search engines, social media, or email campaigns. Imagine a simple bar chart with different traffic sources displayed on the x-axis and visit counts on the y-axis. High bars represent strong referral channels, and low bars might signal areas needing attention. By analyzing traffic distribution, you can figure out which campaigns resonate most, enabling you to double down on what works and refine underperforming channels for better results. Google Analytics is a powerhouse for collecting data and providing insights. Access it via https://analytics.google.com/ and install a tracking code on your website to start capturing visitor behavior. Once inside, you'll see dashboards for real-time views, audience demographics, acquisition channels, and conversions. Screenshots of the interface show an intuitive menu on the left: home, real-time, audience, acquisition, and more. This layout lets you pinpoint which marketing efforts bring the best returns. It's a must-have tool for any digital marketer seeking data-led decisions. To set up Google Analytics, visit the official documentation at https://support.google.com/analytics/. You'll find step-by-step guides, including code snippets for embedding the tracking ID into your web pages. A screenshot highlights the clear instructions and simple copy-paste implementation. Once installed, the tool instantly begins recording visitor sessions, behaviors, and referral sources. Proper installation is crucial. Any mistake in the code snippet can lead to incomplete data. Thoroughly check your site's code or use Google Tag Manager to streamline tracking across multiple websites or campaigns. Bounce rate measures the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing just one page, indicating that they weren't compelled to explore further. Meanwhile, average time on site reveals how long users stay before exiting. A high bounce rate might signal ineffective landing pages, irrelevant content, or poor user experience. Conversely, a longer time on site generally suggests engaging content. By reviewing these metrics through a simple line graph over time, you can track improvements or spot issues early to refine your marketing strategies. Conversions are the actions you want users to complete, like purchasing a product, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading an ebook. Goals in Google Analytics let you track these specific outcomes. For example, you might create a goal for completed purchases and another for email signups. Setting up goals helps you measure campaign effectiveness and see if visitors take the actions you intend. Clear goal tracking is fundamental. It turns broad analytics data into tangible results that show how your marketing efforts drive business objectives. Let's explore a real-life example: an online clothing store seeking to grow sales. They used Google Analytics to examine which products were popular and which channels led to the highest conversions. The data revealed that paid search ads generated a high number of visits but a low conversion rate. By optimizing ad copy and improving landing pages, they boosted both sales and the average order value. The store's analytics dashboard illustrated a visible jump in sales over the next quarter, emphasizing how data-driven changes produce real results. In Google Analytics, interactive dashboards let you compare metrics side by side. You might analyze mobile traffic alongside desktop traffic to see if a mobile-friendly site or app is essential. A screenshot of a sample dataset could show columns like device category, sessions, bounce rate, and transactions. By customizing these dashboards, you can quickly identify trends and troubleshoot dips or spikes in performance. Tailored dashboards ensure you're not drowning in data, but focusing on the metrics that truly matter. Secondary dimensions let you break down a primary metric like sessions by an additional factor such as country, device, or referral source. Segments go a step further, filtering your entire analytics view to specific user groups like new versus returning visitors. Seeing how each segment behaves highlights patterns you might miss with aggregated data. For instance, a segment focusing on mobile traffic can expose whether mobile users are converting at a lower rate. With these insights, you can optimize mobile experiences and boost overall performance. Beyond Google Analytics, you can explore other tools like Adobe Analytics, Mixpanel, or Matomo. Each has features like funnel analysis or heat maps, which offer unique perspectives on user interaction. Official documentation for these tools, often found on their respective websites, provides tutorials and product updates. For example, https://mixpanel.com/help/hosts clear guides and best practices for implementing their tracking scripts. Whether you use Google Analytics or alternative solutions, it's crucial to understand their full range of features to make informed decisions. To deepen your knowledge, explore these tutorials. Google Analytics Academy, official training for beginners and experts. Analytics Help Center, in-depth documentation for troubleshooting. Moz, Guide to Web Analytics, blog posts and videos on analytics best practices. HubSpot, tracking and reporting, comprehensive articles on setting up marketing analytics. These resources provide detailed instructions, case studies, and advanced tips to refine your analytics expertise. Integration amplifies the power of analytics. By connecting Google Analytics with Google Ads, you can track how many ad clicks convert into sales. Link it with Google Search Console to see keywords driving traffic, or sync with CRM systems for a more holistic view of the customer journey. A screenshot of the admin section in Google Analytics might show integration settings that unify your marketing platforms under one dashboard. Effective integrations ensure you have a seamless flow of data, offering a complete picture of your marketing performance. When setting up tracking, beware of pitfalls like duplicated tags, unfiltered internal traffic, and ignoring data anomalies. Always use UTM parameters in your URLs to correctly attribute traffic from different campaigns. Regularly review spam or bot traffic in your reports, filtering them out to maintain accurate data. Finally, never rely solely on one metric. Combine bounce rate, conversion rate, and average session duration for a fuller story. Following best practices ensures your analytics data remains reliable and actionable. Throughout this lesson, you've learned the importance of measuring website performance through metrics such as traffic, conversions, and bounce rate. We explored how Google Analytics collects and presents this data, helping you identify what's working and where improvements are needed. We covered how to set up goals, utilize dashboards, and apply segments for deeper insights. When analytics are properly implemented, your marketing strategies become more precise, driving better results. This Tool Explorer overview should empower you to confidently leverage analytics in your campaigns. Web analytics transforms guesswork into data-driven decisions. Whether you're refining a product page, tailoring ad copy, or identifying untapped audiences, analytics provides tangible evidence of success. Real-life benefits include higher ROI on campaigns, increased sales, and stronger customer relationships. By continuously monitoring metrics and adjusting your strategies, you stay agile in an ever-evolving digital landscape. We hope this journey into web analytics and tracking performance has equipped you with valuable knowledge and practical tools. Now it's your turn to apply these insights and watch your results soar. your